lightning! Whoa! Whoa! She says, I'm going in. There was lightning somewhere up there. That was definitely lightning. I don't know where it was at, but it was up there. Woo! I'm hoping that the 360 caught that sucker. Whoa, there's lightning out there. Yeah, we're catching lightning now on that side out there on that edge. Oh, I hate to do this, but I really hate to do this, but I'm gonna do it. I got that one running that way. I'm gonna run. Hey, I got lightning. I just had 4 strikes. I got one off to my east, toward about a half mile away on that edge out there. I had one right above me, and I got the 360 running, so I should have caught it. You know? You there?
Oh.
Hang on, I gotta step. I'm a little bit.
Northeast, I'm trying to track.
Whoa! Here comes the winds.
Oh, I got a supercell form just north of me.
Oh, really? Cool. All right. Good.
Unfortunately, I didn't have time to grab all my phone chaser stuff, but
okay.
I got the dash cam running.
Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, I forgot about my dash cam. I could be running it, but I don't have it on. I have the Ion and the Contour running. So and plus I got the 360 on. So, you know. Here comes the worst of it now. I think that gust front's hitting me right up. Yeah, here it comes. I'm getting hammered now almost. It's almost on me. I'm surprised these things stayed together, you know that?
Oh, big lightning.
What's that?
I just got a couple of big lightning strikes.
Did you? All right. Cool. That's up toward your north or what?
Yep.
Okay. How far from?
Up out of nowhere.
How far from you?
Not far at all, like a couple miles.
Really? Okay. All right. Here she comes. Here comes my heavy storm. I'm in the heat of it now. Yep, I'm definitely in the thick of it right now, so. The lady up here on the porch, when that lightning strike, it may have right on top of me somewhere. You know, she closed her garage door. She was in a lawn chair, and she closed the garage door. She went inside. Yeah, I'm going to hang out here for a little bit, thinking the lightning might, like you said, be on the backside of the storm, you know?
Yeah, maybe so.
I mean, I'm on Mile Hill, so. Yeah, I think that one that was on top of me was cloud to cloud. I mean, but it was definitely close enough, you know?
Wow, I got a bunch of lightning on radar with this one.
Do you really? Already?
Yeah, some of it's behind the rain, some of it's in front.
How big is that cell that formed?
It's pretty heated. You don't see it easy when you see the radar.
Okay, I have more lightning. Okay. What about my sound? Are you marking lightning at all?
Oh, there's another one. Yeah, still south of you.
South of me.
Yeah, still much of light between you and the city.
Oh, really? Okay. All right. There's lightning there. I'm marking lightning, so I get somewhere. My rain's letting up on me now, but it's still black back to my west, you know?
Right.
What's that?
Another nice strike.
Really? All right. Cool. So it sounds like it's right on top of you, huh?
Yeah, it's just in the northeast.
And you don't have no rain where you are, huh?
Nope.
You lucky dog. Dang it.
Good
Oh,
shape.
man, you got it made.
I'm a kid eventually when the rest of that rain comes in from your thing, but...
Yeah? You think my cell's going to hit you at all?
Well, it's a long line of rain that's all the way from over the southern half of the state.
Okay.
Yeah, I wish I'd had time to get my other camera.
There's another flash of light somewhere. You'll have to be watching my video tonight, marking these lightnings. I don't know if I'm capturing them or not, you know? I kind of hope the 360 caught. I'm sure it did. It had to. I mean, it's in my window looking straight up, you know, so kind of curious to see if it got it. You running your 360 at all?
No, I didn't have time to grab anything.
Oh, man. That's weird. Like it stopped raining here all of a sudden on like a drizzle. Wow.
Oh,
There's lightning. What? You got more lightning up there?
yeah.
Do ya? Cool. Cool. And that thing's moving to the east, so you'll be dry for a while. You should be able to capture a lot of lightning out of it then.
Wow, that's really putting down.
More lightning for me.
All right.
What's that?
All right.
Really? Oh.
Hey.
Oh. Oh, I'm happy for you. You know, I am so, you gotta stack these up, you know that. These lightning strikes, crop them, you know, and then stack them up on a photograph. That'll be...
Yeah, I'm on the camera for hand right now.
Oh, are you? Oh, okay. That'd be kind of hard then.
Ooh, strike.
Oh. Oh, man. Oh, crap.
Hey, remember, this is my first storm this year.
I know. I'm happy for you.
Strike.
Yeah.
Strike.
Oh, man, buddy. You know? Now,
Right.
hopefully somebody else is out filming it too, you know? And not just you, you know?
Yeah, hopefully.
Dang it. Dang it, man. I think my line's already past me, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, that's what it looks like. It's starting to clear out. But I don't want to leave because I might have some lightning on the back side of it, you know? I'm getting flashes of light to my south. Definitely down toward Johnstown.
Yeah, it's probably rocking the city right now.
Whoa! There we go. There was lightning. That was right on top of me. It was down by my house. A strike. Woo! Yeah, I'm going to hang out here because I definitely have lightning on the back side here. What camera are you using?
I'm just using my Nikon video.
Okay. All right.
Strike.
Oh man, I can't wait to see the video. Jeez, oh man. How far away is it from you say?
5 miles probably.
Oh, that's awesome. You know, you're on top of it. Yeah, you're definitely right on top of it. You know?
Right. Flash, lots of flashes. There's more light behind the rain than I'm seeing.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I have a lot of flashes down to my south, definitely, you know. I was hoping to get some lightning back toward Blue Knob, but I'm not seeing nothing, you know. Unless I'm missing them. I'm looking to, there might be strikes, I'm just not seeing them. You know. I've maybe had 3 or 4 on top of me, but I won't know until I run the video.
Right.
Strike again. Alright. You should go live, you know that. There's lightning there. Why don't you go live a little bit, bud?
Okay.
Call me back when you're done.
Okay.
Call ended.
There's lightning. There's lightning right down there in front of me. There's a flash of light there. There's definitely a flash of light. So I don't know where it was at though. I'm sure 360 picked it up.